Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Power and Sleep so you can control when the PC sleeps. Press the Windows key, type Power and Sleep, and press Enter. This brings up the exact panel you need. Once done, scan the display and sleep dropdowns for both on battery and when plugged in options so you know current values. Make sure you have admin access if you plan to change settings that affect other users. Otherwise, you can adjust your personal profile right away. You now change the sleep timing to match your usage. From the Power and Sleep panel, pick a sleep time for screen and for the PC, using shorter times to save battery and longer times if you run background tasks. Next, click Additional Power Settings on the right to open Advanced Plans. This lets you fine-tune the plan or create a custom one. While in Advanced Settings, expand Sleep to change Hybrid Sleep and Hibernate thresholds, so Windows behaves exactly as you expect. You finish by saving any changes and testing sleep immediately to confirm behavior. Click Save Changes if you edited a power plan and then manually trigger sleep to verify. This confirms the system follows your new policy. If the PC won't sleep, make sure peripheral drivers and graphics drivers are updated and disable wake timers or connected devices that prevent sleep. As a fallback, run the Power Troubleshooter from Settings Update and Security to detect and fix common configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.